In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Store apps and games to your desktop as shortcuts on Windows 10. This simple process will help you quickly access your favorite apps and games right from your desktop, making it more convenient than ever. Let's start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. To do this, simply click on the Start menu and you should see the Microsoft Store icon. If you don't spot it right away, you can always use the search bar to type in Microsoft Store and select it from the results. Once you have the store open, the next step is to ensure you're signed in with your Microsoft account, which is essential for downloading and installing apps. Look for the sign in link, typically located at the top right of the window. Click on it and follow the prompts to log in. If you don't have an account yet, there will be an option to create one easily. Once you're signed in, you're ready to navigate to the Microsoft Store home. Here you'll find a wide array of apps, games and more. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Now it's time to choose the app or game you'd like to add to your desktop. Whether you're looking for productivity tools, entertainment or the latest game, there's something for everyone. You can either browse the categories or use the search bar for a more direct approach. When you've found the app or game you'd like, click on its icon to go to its dedicated page. Here you'll find more detailed information about what the app can offer, as well as reviews from other users. If you're happy with your choice, look for the download button. Clicking on this will start the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the app or game, this might take a little while, so be patient. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, you'll want to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. To do this, go back to your Start menu. You should see the newly installed app or game under the recently added section, or you can use the search feature to find it quickly. Right click on the app icon, hover over More, and then select Open File Location. This will open the File Explorer with a shortcut to your app. Finally, right click on this shortcut and then choose Send To, followed by Desktop, Create Shortcut. And there you have it, your app or game's shortcut is now conveniently located on your desktop, ready to be accessed with a single click. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a Microsoft Store app or game to your Windows 10 desktop. Now, you can easily access your favorite programs without having to navigate through menus. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined desktop experience.